Most people place a Walmart order and then refresh the app every 5 minutes hoping for updates. Then they get confused when the status barely changes for hours. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart tracking actually works in clear stages, but most people don't understand what each stage means. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to track your Walmart order in 2026 step by step, so you always know where your package is and when it will arrive. Let's break it down simply. First, all Walmart orders are tracked through the Walmart app or the Walmart website. Once you place an order, the system automatically generates a tracking timeline. Now here's where it gets interesting. That timeline is not just one status. It changes based on processing, shipping, and delivery stages. So let's go step by step. After you place an order, the first status you will usually see is processing. This means Walmart is confirming your payment and preparing your items. Now imagine someone like Alex ordering headphones. At this stage, nothing has shipped yet. The order is simply being prepared inside the system. But here's the problem most people run into. They expect instant movement, but processing can take longer depending on stock availability and order volume. Next comes the shipped status. This means your order has left the warehouse or store and is now with a delivery carrier. Now here's where it gets more useful. When your order is shipped, you will see a tracking number. This number can be clicked to see real-time updates from the carrier, such as location and estimated delivery time. Now let's talk about delivery tracking. Once your package is out for delivery, the status updates to out for delivery. This means the driver has your package and is on the final route. At this stage, updates may become more frequent, especially if you are tracking through carrier apps linked from Walmart. Now here's something most people miss. Some Walmart orders, especially grocery or local items, are not shipped traditionally. Instead, they are tracked as pickup or delivery slots, not shipping milestones. So let's simplify everything. Walmart tracking follows 3 main stages: processing, shipped, and out for delivery. Each stage tells you exactly what is happening behind the scenes. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They assume no update means no progress. But in reality, each stage takes time before the next one appears. So the smart approach is simple. Always check the Walmart app first, click into your order details, and use the tracking link for carrier updates when available. Once you understand the system, you stop guessing and start knowing exactly where your order is at every step. So here is the final takeaway. Walmart order tracking is simple once you understand the stages. Processing means preparation. Shipped means in transit. And out for delivery means it is almost at your door. If this helped you understand how to track Walmart orders in 2026, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this.